Gorbel workstation cranes increase productivity and create a safer work environment by allowing for easier movement of loads, making age, strength, and gender less of a factor for many repetitive lifting applications. Using a Gorbel workstation crane can help you maximize the productivity of your workforce by allowing a task to be performed by up to 90% of workers. Our workstation bridge crane systems are designed for easy movement and positioning, most often applied to spot handling on the X and Y axis. Workstation bridge cranes are available as ceiling-mounted systems, which allow free movement of your load without interfering with floor traffic. With ceiling-mounted systems, a building with an adequate overhead structure is required to support the crane system. Cranes are also available as freestanding. A freestanding system does not put stress on the building's overhead structure because they are independent of the building and can be located wherever you need them. The freestanding systems are also easy to relocate. Gorbel workstation cranes create a safer workplace and a more flexible work environment. Our productivity index of 100 to 1 allows the operator to move a 1,000-pound load with just 10 pounds of force or the touch of your fingertips. An independent study conducted by the Rochester Institute of Technology Ergonomics Department found that Gorbel workstation cranes allowed 99% of men and 65% of women to safely handle loads of more than 3,000 pounds. Less than 10% of the workforce was able to safely move the same load on an I-beam crane. According to the study, participants were also able to increase productivity by up to 28% using Gorbel workstation cranes compared to traditional I-beam cranes. By increasing productivity, reducing injury, and making the application less strenuous for the workforce, you will see a noticeable return on investment with your Gorbel workstation crane. Gorbel's enclosed track design makes its workstation cranes easier to move and position. The high-strength, low-weight track is up to 3 times easier to move than traditional bridge cranes. The enclosed track virtually eliminates dirt and dust from the rolling surface, reducing wear on the wheels of the trolley and end trucks, and ensuring continued easy movement. The smooth rolling surface also means there is less rolling resistance. The wheels and running flange are tapered 2 degrees to help center the trolley wheels in the track for effortless movement of trolleys and end trucks. The enclosed track is available in cold-formed, high-strength steel, lightweight aluminum, and stainless steel. Gorbel offers plain steel track for use when frequent support points are available or where maximum headroom is required. Trussed steel track, which permits longer spans when frequent support points are not available by incorporating a built-up trussed design. Aluminum track when lower bridge weight and easier movement are required. And stainless steel track for caustic work environments. Gorbel offers this broad product line to match the right rail solution to each application. Gorbel workstation cranes come in a variety of spans and capacities to fit your application perfectly. Bridges are available in spans from 8 to 34 feet and rated capacities from 250 pounds up to 4,000 pounds. Gorbel's capacity is rated for the live load that can be lifted by the crane system and are pre-engineered to factor in a 15% allowance for hoist and trolley weight and a 25% allowance for the impact factor of lifting the load. To reduce dead weight and maximize ease of movement, be sure to keep capacities, bridge lengths, and bridge heights to a minimum for your application. Mixed capacity systems are a good way to get the most out of your system without sacrificing easy movement. For example, by using Gorbel's mixed capacity end trucks, 4 500-pound bridges can be hung from a 2,000-pound capacity runway. This allows side-by-side operation of all 4 bridges without overloading the system and reduces dead weight, so each bridge is easy to move. The modular design of Gorbel's ergonomic crane system allow for maximum adaptability for your existing and future applications. Whether creating a specialized solution, planning for future expansion, or work cell changes, Gorbel has options to create a customized lifting solution for you. Some examples of our custom options include monorails for more sophisticated applications by the addition of monorail curves, switches, and interlock transfers that can be easily integrated into a total system. Dual girder bridges are available to incorporate offset load platforms or nested trolleys for tooling and hoist options in your work cell. Tractor drives provide motorized movement along the track of workstation cranes or straight track monorails. Tractor drives are great for applications that require moving a load when an operator cannot stand beside it, or when a load is bulky or awkward. For caustic work environments or clean rooms, workstation cranes can be built from aluminum or galvanized steel, or in 500-pound stainless steel track. Maintenance gates make adjustments to your system easy, especially for systems with long runways or multiple bridges. The gate makes maintenance to your system an easier task. Cantilevered supports for your freestanding workstation crane allow materials to be delivered to and removed from a work cell without obstruction. When your work cell is limited because of building structure or machining locations, Gorbel's custom support steel allows you to specify the location of support centers. Our engineers will work with you to design the system to meet your application requirements while fitting into your floor plan. Our telescoping bridge allows for extension outside the normal reach of a workstation bridge crane. Applications for a telescoping bridge include reaching into adjacent work cells to transfer material, loading parts into a machine opening, and reaching out beyond a building column or under mezzanines. For additional custom crane options, your Gorbel dealer will work with you to find the best solution for your application. Whether your application is small or large, simple or complex, Gorbel workstation cranes provide adaptable, ergonomic solutions which allow you to maximize your workforce while increasing safety and productivity. Gorbel workstation cranes, a class above.